If you needed surgery, would you trust a board-certified surgeon or an inexperienced YouTube product reviewer to perform your surgery? So why would you trust a self-proclaimed YouTube influencer when choosing the electrical system that powers your entire home? If you've spent any time on YouTube searching for the right solar system or inverter for an off-grid application, you've likely encountered no shortage of influencers claiming their products are the best on the market. The problem is that many of these claims aren't supported by any real engineering experience. In most cases, the people making them have no formal background in solar system design, manufacturing, or repair. Nor do they possess or even begin to know how to operate the lab-grade test equipment required to verify performance under real-world conditions. They aren't engineers or technicians, and despite their friendly on-camera personas, their goal isn't to educate or protect you. They're salespeople, paid to promote products and willing to say almost anything necessary to drive clicks through their discount links for the overpriced, underperforming products that they're selling. If you're currently considering the purchase of an off-grid or backup power system for your home, business, or mobile application, and are researching which products will best meet your needs, we would like to offer one piece of advice that can help you make a confident, well-informed decision. Drawing on nearly 30 years of experience in the renewable energy industry, this is one of the most important recommendations we can share. When evaluating product recommendations on YouTube, exercise caution with videos centered around unboxings, quick reviews, teardowns, or basic installation walkthroughs. While these videos may be entertaining or helpful for seeing a product out of the box, they rarely provide meaningful insight into long-term reliability, engineering quality, or real-world performance. Instead, we strongly recommend conducting thorough due diligence on any brand or model of solar system component you are considering. One simple and highly effective step is to search for documented consumer complaints. For example, enter the product's model name followed by the word "complaints" into Google's search bar. This quick search can reveal a consolidated view of real-world user experiences, as Google aggregates feedback and reports from a wide range of credible sources across the internet. Reviewing this information can provide valuable insight into product reliability, recurring performance issues, and long-term customer satisfaction, helping you make a far more informed purchasing decision before investing in your system. Whenever you watch YouTube videos for advice on which product to purchase, first check the video description and the creator's pinned comment. If you see a discount code or affiliate link, understand that you are essentially watching a television commercial. For that reason, it's wise to seek out additional sources and watch other videos so you can gather unbiased information before making a decision about the products you're researching.